AI tools are getting so expensive now that most people can't even keep up anymore. Like, if you want to use the best models consistently, GPT 5.5, Claude Opus 4.7, all of that, you're usually stuck paying insane monthly subscriptions. But recently, I found something that honestly feels broken, because people are using this method to access GPT 5.5 and Claude Opus 4.7 without dealing with the usual limits most users run into. And the crazy part? Almost nobody is talking about it yet. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, how to set everything up, and why creators and developers are low-key abusing this right now. So let's get into it. First, head over to the link in the description and click on it. Once you do that, you'll land on this page right here. Now all you want to do is click the Start Chatting Free button. After that, just wait a few seconds and it'll automatically redirect you to the sign-up page.
Now just sign up using whatever you're most comfortable with, Google, email, or GitHub. But quick heads up, if you're using email sign-up, don't use temp mails or random spam emails because the platform can instantly block you for around 30 minutes, and it usually won't work properly. So yeah, just use a normal email to avoid any issues. Once you sign in, you'll land on this page right here.
Now, just click on the Auto Model tab, and right here you can see pretty much all the premium AI models. You've got OpenAI models like GPT 5.4, 5.5, 5.5 Pro, then Claude models like Opus 4.7, 4.6, 4.5, plus a bunch of other trending and high-end models too. For this demo, I'm just going to leave it on auto mode so it can automatically pick the fastest and best model for the response. So let's test it real quick. I'm going to ask it to write a 100-word article about recent UFO sightings in the US that were supposedly published by the government. Now just hit enter, and as you can see, it instantly generates the article about the UFO sightings in the US. And honestly, that's not even the craziest part. You also get extra features like web search, file reading, code interpreter support, and you can even connect your own interpreter API keys if you want. Plus, you can add MCPs here as well, which is kinda insane for a setup like this. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Let me know down in the comments what you want me to test or cover next, because I've got a bunch of other crazy AI tools and setups coming soon. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, good luck and take care.